We're going to explore the Finder on your MacBook, and the Finder actually functions very similar to several features on the PC. So as we go through this, you may connect to certain things. You may think, oh, that's where that is, or that's how that functions. Finder is not exactly like the Start button or the Start menu on your PC, but it is very similar. So if that's an easier way for you to think about it, then that's fine. On your dock, Finder will be the face, and it will permanently be on your dock. You cannot remove the Finder from your dock. So as we open Finder, the first thing I want to show you in Finder is the preferences. In your preferences under General, these are the things that you can show on the desktop, and you can choose each one to add to the desktop or remove depending on what you want to actually see there. The next is tags. You do have an entire tagging system on your MacBook in which you can choose a color, you can choose a title of it, you can create these, and then whenever you do a search or you do a spotlight search, you can search the tag specifically. The sidebar is actually what you will see where all the things are under your favorites in the different locations. Anything that you uncheck here will be removed from your sidebar on here. So if I wanted to, let's say I didn't want to have the Kevin Tressler option for my sidebar, I can unclick it. If I click it again, it will show up, and that is something that you can do to personalize it and make it as you would like. Finally, under your advanced, you just have several different things here that you can choose. Show warning before emptying the trash can. Sometimes that's a good idea so you don't accidentally delete something that you may not want to. So as we move from the preferences, you'll also notice that the Finder has a specific menu bar or toolbar for itself. You do have your view options, you have your setting options, you have your grid options, share, tag, and search. So I can go in here and specifically search my Finder to locate things if I would like to do that. On the sidebar, these are the different locations where I might have documents or files. Also very important for AirDrop. If you're using AirDrop or trying to, you actually have to go to Finder and choose AirDrop in order to change everyone, no one, contacts only. That's a really important feature that you will use with your MacBook, and this is where it is located. It is not located in the system preferences, it is located in the Finder. The other thing is it'll tell you that this is the device, so you can go straight into your hard drive if you want to. Any shared location or any tags that you may have, you can expand or hide those. You can also hide any of the sections you would like or show them so that you can collapse your sidebar if you need to. Now, as far as what is here, these are pretty much all of my files and folders that I may have. Notice I have Google Drive options, I have my desktop option, pictures, music, movies, downloads, documents, applications. The one thing with the applications is this is actually where I would go if I wanted to remove an application permanently. I don't actually do that from the Launchpad, I do that from the Finder, and when I remove one from here, it will move it to the trash can. Once I take it out of the trash can, that's when it will permanently be deleted from my device. I can also connect to iCloud Drive and Dropbox if I want to, like I said, as well as Google Drive. So I'm going to leave it on the desktop so we can explore some of the views. I do have different view options, and they are specific to each sidebar choice. So let's say I want this as my desktop view. Notice when I go to iCloud Drive, it has a different view, so you can change that to whichever one you would like. You can also look at the folders and files this way, and you can see the different options that you have as you go through, however you would like to do that, whichever one you would like to look at. The next one right here is just simple settings and options. You have a new folder, you can open in a new tab, move it to trash, rename, burn, so you can actually add a tag here as well at the bottom if you want to, and that was a really quick way in order to do that. Your next option is just the way that they are sorted, so this will sort them by name, by kind, by application, by tag, anything that you would like. You can share directly from your Finder, so I can AirDrop, I can mail, send a message, note, or more. And I can also work with my tag, so I can assign a tag to that folder or to an individual document if I would like to. Again, finally, I can search, so I could type in a search here and it would pull it up. One thing to note is if you do download something from an email, from a website, from any place like that, it will go to your downloads, and this is the easiest and fastest way to get to your downloads so you can actually see them. You will have a downloads option on your dock, but this allows you to visualize them in a broader sense and to see more specifically what you have and what you have downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. Please explore other modules on the WCPS Professional Learning site.